Attention all fitness enthusiasts. Today we're diving into an exhilarating topic, uncovering the remarkable benefits of creatine supplementation. Creatine, a natural compound present in our bodies, plays a crucial role in fueling our muscles' energy production. Stored as phosphocreatine, it aids in the regeneration of ATP, the ultimate energy currency. But did you realize that creatine holds even more incredible advantages? That's why in this video, we'll explore the scientifically backed benefits of creatine monohydrate that you need to know. Don't skip this video, because it is best to know what you are consuming before buying your next portion of creatine monohydrate supplements. And if you get value from this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Alright, let's get right into it. Number 5. Increased anaerobic capacity. When it comes to high-intensity, explosive exercises, creatine monohydrate is your secret weapon for unlocking enhanced anaerobic capacity. Scientific studies have shown that supplementing with creatine can have a significant impact on your ability to perform these types of exercises for extended periods. Anaerobic capacity refers to the body's ability to generate energy without relying on oxygen. And by increasing your anaerobic capacity, creatine supplementation allows you to push harder and perform at your peak during activities such as sprinting, jumping, and weightlifting. Just imagine sprinting faster and longer, jumping higher, or lifting heavier weights without feeling as quickly fatigued. That's why creatine monohydrate has been found to support the energy systems involved in these explosive movements, providing the necessary fuel to power through intense workouts. So whether you're an athlete seeking an extra edge or simply aiming to challenge yourself and push your limits, creatine supplementation can be a game changer for optimizing your anaerobic capacity. Number 4. Increased glycogen synthesis. Creatine monohydrate supplementation has been associated with a notable increase in glycogen synthesis within the muscles. We do know that glycogen is a form of stored glucose that serves as a critical energy source during prolonged exercise. That's why by enhancing the synthesis of glycogen, creatine monohydrate can contribute to improved endurance performance. When you're pushing yourself through high-intensity or endurance activities, your body relies on glycogen as its main source of fuel. But as your glycogen stores start to deplete, fatigue sets in, and your performance takes a hit. That's where creatine monohydrate comes to the rescue. By promoting enhanced glycogen synthesis, it helps restore and maintain optimal glycogen levels in your muscles. This has a fantastic impact on your performance, allowing you to go further, last longer, and push through the toughest challenges with renewed energy. When it comes to endurance performance, creatine monohydrate supplementation takes it to the next level by optimizing glycogen synthesis. Whether you're a long-distance runner, cyclist, or participating in other endurance-based sports, this is fantastic news for you. Number 3. Increased muscle strength and power. Creatine monohydrate might be your number one supplement if you are looking to take your athletic performance to new heights. Numerous studies have consistently shown that incorporating creatine into your fitness regimen can have a significant impact on muscle strength and power. But how does it work? Well, during high-intense activities like weightlifting and sprinting, your muscles require a rapid and continuous supply of ATP to generate the power and force needed for optimal performance. Some evidence in the Journal of Applied Physiology reported that participants experienced an average increase of 12 to 20% in their power outputs compared to their baseline levels, and an average increase of approximately 20% in maximal squat and leg press strength was reported using creatine supplementation. And if by chance you are looking to try out an incredible product that aligns with the benefits we've been discussing, well, I've got you covered. Personally, I've been using creatine monohydrate powder by Do Not Age, and let me tell you, it's been a game changer. With a 1-month supply per bottle, it's easy to incorporate into your routine. Simply take 2 scoops and add them to your favorite smoothies or meals for a seamless integration. But what sets this product apart? It delivers on the promised benefits we've discussed: enhanced muscle strength, power, and improved performance. Don't just take my word for it, experience the difference for yourself. To make things even better, I've secured a special offer for you. In the description below, you'll find a link to get your hands on the creatine monohydrate powder. And when you use the discount code NEDUCATION, you'll enjoy even more savings. Don't miss out on this opportunity to take your fitness journey to the next level. Grab your creatine monohydrate powder from Do Not Age and unlock your true potential. Number 2. Accelerated muscle recovery. When it comes to recovering after a tough workout, creatine monohydrate is the ultimate teammate you need in your corner. Scientific studies have uncovered some fascinating findings that highlight the remarkable role of creatine in post-exercise recovery. This means that by incorporating creatine supplementation into your fitness routine, you can bounce back swiftly between workouts or intense training sessions, allowing you to maintain a higher training volume and frequency. But what exactly makes creatine so effective in the recovery process? You see, intense physical activity can cause micro tears in muscle fibers, leading to muscle damage and soreness. However, research indicates that creatine supplementation can help mitigate these effects. Studies have demonstrated that creatine can reduce the levels of markers associated with muscle damage, such as creatine kinase and lactate dehydrogenase, and by minimizing these markers, creatine supports the repair and regeneration of damaged muscle tissues. Furthermore, creatine's ability to reduce inflammation can also contribute to faster recovery. Intense exercise induces an inflammatory response in the body, which can hinder the recovery process. However, creatine has been shown to possess anti-inflammatory properties, aiding in the reduction of inflammation by reducing inflammatory markers like tumor necrosis factor alpha and IL-6 and promoting a quicker recovery. Number 1. Cognitive function. Beyond its well-established impact on physical performance, emerging research suggests that creatine may also have cognitive benefits. In studies conducted with healthy young adults, creatine supplementation was found to improve working memory and performance on intelligence tasks, suggesting a positive influence on cognitive abilities. Notably, certain studies have reported a substantial improvement of approximately 8 to 10% in working memory when comparing the creatine supplementation group to the placebo group. But it doesn't stop there. The benefits extend to older adults as well. Improvements were observed in working memory and processing speed, highlighting the potential of creatine to support cognitive health and performance as we age. Furthermore, vegetarians and vegans, who may have lower levels of natural creatine due to their dietary choices, have also been found to reap cognitive benefits from creatine supplementation. Studies have shown that creatine supplementation can enhance cognitive performance in these populations, particularly in tasks involving short-term memory and intelligence. While the precise mechanisms behind these cognitive benefits are still being explored, one theory suggests that creatine supplementation may enhance brain energy metabolism by increasing the availability of ATP. This, in turn, supports energy-demanding cognitive processes, potentially leading to improved performance in memory, attention, and processing speed. It's important to note that individual responses may vary, and further research is needed to fully unravel the extent and underlying mechanisms of creatine's cognitive benefits. Now that we've explored the incredible benefits of creatine monohydrate, it's time to take your health journey to the next level. Use the promo code NEDUCATION and elevate your fitness game with the finest creatine monohydrate supplements available today. Taking creatine monohydrate is a seamless addition to your fitness routine. But what if I told you there's a way to achieve even more remarkable results? If you're ready to unlock new levels of performance, click on this video right here to discover the exceptional benefits of nicotinamide riboside supplements.